In this video, I'll show you how to use Zapier AI Actions to automate tasks. First, open your web browser and sign into your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, go to the AI features available in your workspace and create a new automation or AI-powered workflow. Next, choose the app or service you want your AI to work with. Connect the required accounts by following the authorization steps so Zapier can securely access your apps. Now, configure your AI action by describing the task you want it to perform. For example, you can ask it to create calendar events, send emails, update spreadsheets, create tasks, or manage records in other connected apps. After that, select the trigger that will start the automation. This could be a new form submission, an incoming email, a chat message, or another event supported by Zapier. Then map the data from the trigger to the AI action so the correct information is passed automatically. Next, test your workflow to make sure the AI action performs the task correctly. If needed, adjust the prompt, update the field mappings, or modify the action until the results match your expectations. Finally, turn on your automation. Zapier will now monitor the selected trigger and automatically execute your AI action whenever the specified event occurs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Zapier AI Actions to automate tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.